Hey guys, this is Levgen, and you probably already got this fake skin. So you can see that this size is pretty good for practice. Here's the line, and on this half, I'm gonna place the stencil, and we're gonna work with the design during the online seminar. This half you can save and try again later, do next try, or you can practice before seminar or after as well. You can see this size is pretty good. This is an example what I did on my previous online seminar, and you can see this size is more than enough to practice and understand everything. And here just some practice and work with Magnum, round shader, liner, different shit. And if you would like to try it by yourself later, feel free. Or if you like to place a new stencil on second part, you also can do that. So this fake skin has two sides. One is matte, another one is glossy. So we have to use this glossy one. I already printed stencil. You can see it here. It's not too big, so it's pretty enough for this half, and I cut it out a little bit of the top. We don't need, so probably during the online seminar we're gonna do probably this half. I think we can do as much as possible, but I think this half and this size is pretty good. So you need to do this stencil and place it on fake skin like 10-12 hours before the seminar. You also need alcohol, kind of like a green soap or any foam soap solution. And to place the stencil, I use uncored stencil solution. So in my opinion, this is the best for fake skin. It's also pretty good for real skin, but on fake skin it also works the best. Wear gloves. Apply a little bit of green soap just to be sure that the fake skin is completely clean, because when you touch it you can feel that it's kind of like a fat a little bit, that you can see a little bit oil on it. Also, I like to use a little bit of alcohol to be sure that here's like kind of like no oil at all and it's completely dry. Make it dry. Then take ink solution, a little bit, not too much. You can see I just took a little bit. Take it, spread it pretty well, that you have this ink solution more or less everywhere, and leave it, for example, like for 5, sometimes 10 minutes. So like I said, around like 5-10 minutes, and you can apply the stencil. Do it carefully, place it, take paper towel, tap it, try don't move this stencil paper, make it gentle, you know, from middle to sides. Wait a little bit, 1-2 minutes, not too much. You don't need to wait really long. You can remove the paper. So you can see stencil is already here, but stencil is still wet, so leave it for around like 10 hours. So you can do it before to go to sleep, place it like it is, you know, and next day you just can start to work, because you can see I just tap and remove the line. So it means that stencil is too soft, too fresh. Okay guys, to work more comfortable and close to real skin, so to real body feeling, something like that, highly recommended to use armrest, the regular one, or if you have wider, then wider. So you also, to protect armrest, you know, and avoid the slip of fake skin, highly recommended to wrap around using the regular film, the wrap, the plastic. Then you can place the fake skin here. If you want, you can use the tape and tape it around. It's up to you. So, and it's not slipping, you know, a lot. And it's kind of like a stick, the fake skin stick to the plastic wrap, you know, and you can work, and this then softness is gonna be like close to real skin, you know, to real body, much better than on table what is gonna be like too hard. But also if you don't have armrest, you can use a regular table as well. It's also not bad, but armrest is gonna be the best. And like I said before, if you have wider armrest, use wider. It's gonna be more comfortable for you. So that's it. Also, one thing during the tattooing, highly recommended to use foam. You know, I just use green soap around like one finger, you know, and rest is water. One finger is soap, rest is water, you know, and butter like this, and it's much easier to clean the fake skin, you know, because Vaseline makes everything dirty. So remove the ink and make fake skin clean, you know, clean it. Green soap is the best way. Also, if you don't like the stencil, you can remove it easily. Just use alcohol, you know, and remove the stencil is very easy. And for example, this is just in case if you don't like the result, and you can remove it easy and apply the new one in the same way.